Then we go 2, make connection on her right thigh with my right thigh. I'm staying on both legs. I lift her leg up, give her a signal with the thigh, with the hands free. And then I let her fall back 4, and I go down and make connection to the thigh. We go up 5, hold the break 6, and now we're going to do the roller coaster 7 and 8, going down, down, up. From here we continue, go to the side 1, I turn and break 2, we go to the side, and we go down back 3, I lift her up again 4, and on the 5 we start the porte with the tilting, we go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, I block her, break 3, come back 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. If you want the full explanations, join our DanceLiveTV.com. We have also discounts. Go on social media and have a look if we have discounts on the month that we are now. And we have a full tutorial with explanation, obviously for the ladies, which is very important. If you want to make this porte tilted, you need to know a lot of stuff that are very important, because you might get, I want to say injured. It's dangerous if you try it on your own and you don't know the information. Good. So join our system if you want the full tutorial, and see you there.